The Cubot KingKong Mini 4 is a new rugged smartphone that maintains the compact form factor of its predecessor while introducing a number of significant upgrades. It runs on the Android 15 OS and is powered by a Unisoc Tiger T6 16 12nm chipset. The display has been enhanced, now a 4.7-inch IPS LCD with a 90Hz refresh rate and resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, resulting in a higher pixel density of 373 ppi. This is a considerable jump from the Mini 3's 4.5-inch 480p display. Now the KingKong Mini 4 offers more RAM and storage options with configurations of 128GB with 6GB RAM and a new 256GB option with 8GB RAM, and also includes a microSD card slot for memory expansion. The camera capabilities have been upgraded as well. The rear camera is now a 48MP wide-angle sensor with autofocus support, which is a step up from the Mini 3's 20MP camera. The selfie camera sees an even larger improvement, moving from 5MP to a 16MP sensor. Both the rear and the selfie camera can record videos at up to 1080p or 30fps. The battery capacity has been increased to 4700 mAh, a substantial increase over the 3000 mAh battery in the Mini 3, and it supports 10 watts wired charging. In terms of durability, the Mini 4 has an IP68 and IP69k ratings for dust and high pressure water resistance, and is military grade standard 810H compliant. It also adds a dedicated flashlight and a side mounted fingerprint sensor, features not present on the previous model. Connectivity options remain robust with dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, and multiple position systems, and it uses a USB Type-C 2.0 port with OTG support. It also comes in a new set of color options. So these are the top features of the KingKong Mini 4. As regarding its price, well, I don't know that yet, but it is expected to be very affordable. I'm expecting it to cost at least $250 or even less. This is a Cubot device. Cubot devices are usually very affordable. But what are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.